Have you ever wondered how those eye-catching 3D images on your social media feed are created? The ones that seem to pop right off the screen, grabbing your attention? If you're curious about crafting your own trendy 3D images, you're in the right place. Stick with me till the end of this video, and I'll walk you through the entire process. But first, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let's dive in. Start by opening your browser and searching for Bing AI Art. The first result should be the Bing Image Creator. Click on that, and you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. Here, you'll find the Join and Create button. Clicking on it will lead you to the sign-in page. If you're new, you'll need to create an account, but if you're a returning user, simply log in with your email. Once you're signed in, it's time to get creative with your prompt. I've already crafted a prompt, which I'll share in the description below. Feel free to use it as a starting point. Paste your prompt into the search bar and hit the Create button. In just a few moments, you'll see the magic happen. The AI generates 4 stunning images based on your prompt. For instance, if you're looking to create a new Instagram profile picture, the AI tailors the images accordingly. But why stop at Instagram? Let's explore further. Replace Instagram in your prompt with to generate images for these platforms. You'll be amazed at how professionally the AI adapts to each platform, creating images that are not only visually appealing but also platform appropriate. Now, let's add a personal touch. You can modify the prompt to include your name or change the attire in the images. For example, swap pants with jeans or t-shirt with jacket. Watch as the AI updates your images with these new details, offering a fresh look that's uniquely yours. Let's explore further. Replace Instagram in your prompt with WhatsApp to generate images for these platforms. You'll be amazed at how professionally the AI adapts to each platform, creating images that are not only visually appealing but also platform appropriate. The versatility doesn't end there. This method works for various social media platforms, be it Snapchat, LinkedIn, or any other. The process remains the same: tweak the prompt, and the AI does the rest, crafting images that are perfect for each platform. Once you're satisfied with your creations, downloading them is a breeze. Simply open the image you like and click the download button. And just like that, you have a set of personalized, trendy 3D images ready to elevate your social media presence. In conclusion, the world of AI art is at your fingertips, offering endless possibilities to enhance your digital identity. Whether it's for Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other platform, you now have the know-how to create stunning 3D images that stand out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.